Hello everyone. Next we will make a beautiful bun, tie a ponytail and then fold the hairs and tie it as shown in the video. Now take all the hairs and press it inside the hairs as we are doing in this video. And then put the hairpin over it and your beautiful bun is ready. This hairstyle is best suited for medium to long hair girls. Next we will make a bun, tie the hairs as shown and put a bun pin in it as we are doing in this video. Now roll the hairs from the up and fix it using a bun pin or the hairpin and your beautiful bun is ready. Next we will make a very beautiful and simple bun. Tie a ponytail, roll the hairs and then fold it as shown in the video. Now apply the bun pin and it's ready. Next we will make a beautiful and a messy bun. Tie the hairs as we are tying in this video. Now fix the hairs in between as shown in the video. Now roll the leftover hairs as we are doing. Now pull the hairs from the up as shown and it's ready. Thanks for watching.